Hello guys, today let us see how we can validate the given number as even or odd. So let us start writing the code. So we can have assigning a variable that is int input, enter the required number. We have this. Then we'll have another variable which will be saying as x is equal to num mod 2. So why I'm doing this is like we all know what is even and odd number. Any number divided by 2, if the remainder is 0, then it's even. If there is a remainder, that's an odd. So number mod 2, so that means like it will check for the remainder. So what I will do is like if x is equal to 0, then print number is even. Else print number is odd. So let us check. So it will ask for the record number. So let me enter 12. So number is even. Let me run the script again. So I will put 199. Number is odd. Hope you have understood the video. The concept is very simple. We need to check for the remainder that does by the mod very easily. So if the remainder is 0, then it's an even. If not, then it's an odd number. So thanks for watching. If you have liked my video, please press like button, and for more videos please subscribe. Thank you.